Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks to be able to read and write in English language. You will never forget the letter K with the tricks I will show you in this video. If you want to follow up with the tricks I reveal on how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hold on. Have you been following my videos? Wow! I love you. You are a good friend. You should also try to watch the previous episodes so that you can be able to understand this video. To read and write in English language, you must first of all know how to pronounce the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. The small letter K and the capital letter K is the 11th letter of the alphabet. There are two letters on the screen. The first is the small letter K, and the second is the capital letter K. The first trick you need to know is that all letters in English language, in whatever you are reading it from, is always moving to the right side of the hand. The letter K is pronounced as K. 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 Another thing you need to know is to know the particular part of the mouth to use when pronouncing the letter K. When pronouncing the letter K, the inner tongue moves up to touch the upper gum to produce the sound K. Another trick you need to know is that the English alphabet has phonic sound. The phonic sound of letter K is K. If you don't want to forget the K sound, then remember the sound most people make when they try to remove a tiny bone from their throat. Keeping this in mind, you will never forget the sound. The inner tongue is raised up to touch the inner gum to produce the sound. What other letter from the previous episode has the same phonic sound as the k sound? Find out the answer and drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So, letter K sounds K. Let's recite it and say it quickly. Letter K sounds K. 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 Examples of English words that begins with letter K sounds K are K as in kettle, K as in king, K as in key. Another trick I will tell you is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placement of a curve, a stroke, and a dash. You can look on your screen to see the diagrams. For the small letter K, it is formed with a stroke and two slanted strokes at the middle. The capital letter K is also formed with a stroke and two slanted strokes at the middle. So, what is the difference between small letter K and capital letter K? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.